Ladies and gentlemen, Isaac Mark.
Here we are with a weird plant just in time for holidays. This is a native California mistletoe. It's growing up here, and you can see the leaves are a little bit yellow, a little bit green. They're different from the surrounding leaves, which belong to the Ceanothus cuneatus. So this is Phoradendron, leucarpum, subspecies, Macrophyllum, in the, what's the family?
Viscaceae.
Oh yeah, Viscaceae. Kind of weird. The ecology of this plant is really cool. So the way that this is growing, it has a specialized structure called a hostorium that is tapped into the vasculature of the host plant, which in this case is a Ceanothus, and it's taking water and nutrients from the plant, but it can also do photosynthesis as well. So briefly how to recognize this. First of all, it's a parasite. It's growing in another tree, and it has broad leaves that are opposite. They're round and they're very waxy. In this species, the leaves are about 1.5 times longer than they are wide. They're not very long and lanceolate, and they're also not super stubby. They're kind of like this oval shape. And the color of the leaves is kind of yellow-green. So those are important things to identify this species, which is a generalist. So it grows on Ceanothus, but it also grows on Alnus, also grows on Fraxinus, also grows on a wide variety of different trees and shrubs, and it's happy doing that. The flowers are pretty inconspicuous, but oftentimes you see these plants and they're just loaded with these extremely gooey berries. And the berries have this very viscid kind of material on them, and they're eaten by birds. And so with a bird will land on the plant, it'll eat the berry, and the berry will go right through the bird, come out, and get stuck in its feathers. And just a bunch of them will get stuck, and the bird just basically builds up this big, you could call it a dingleberry. And so then the bird flies to a branch, and it has to rub the berries off of its branch. So perfectly, the berries just get stuck on the branch, covered in a little bit of fertilizer, a little bit of poop, and germinate there, where they tap into the branch and grow as a parasite. So to sum up, this is this is mistletoe. It's also, traditional to kiss somebody underneath. This is my fiance. So
Hello.
you can check it out and kiss one of your classmates, but stay
Who's
COVID safe.
in your pod?
Awesome.